Robots that follow commands. Today, Maya is learning something exciting. How robots follow commands. Her friend Momo the robot is here to help her understand how robots do exactly what they are told. Robots don't think like humans. They follow something called a command set, a clear list of instructions given in the right order. When we say, move forward, then turn, then move again, the robot does each step exactly. No guessing. One wrong step, and it might bump into something. Maya learns that robots are all around us. They deliver food, clean our floors, and work in factories, all by following step-by-step commands. Programming robots means giving them steps like turn left, move forward, and beep. That's called step-based logic, telling the robot what to do, one instruction at a time. But what if we want the robot to repeat something? That's where loops help. Instead of writing the same step again and again, a loop tells the robot to repeat it, easy and smart. Maya is proud. She now knows how to give the right commands, use loops, and help a robot move smartly. Robots are amazing, and they only work when we give them the right instructions.